PS5 how to make account primary. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can make your account primary on PS5, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to make your account primary on PS5, it's actually quite simple. All you have to do is just make sure to hit the settings icon from the top right and then just go to users and accounts, as you would be able to find it. Then when you come to users and accounts over here, you should be able to find the option known as others, and when you go to others over here, you should be able to find this option called restore licenses. So now you can just click the restore licenses tab, or you can also select console sharing and offline play, and then you should be able to go ahead and then basically hit the enable or disable option. Now if you see enable button, make sure to hit enable. If you see disable, leave it at that, and make sure to restore your licenses, and then you should be able to make your PS5 account primary. This way you will be able to make your PS5 account primary. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.